Hey guys, we decided to go for a little walk this evening on the trails. We got a little storm earlier, as you can see from the clouds. We got down here and the trees are super loud this evening. Sounds like some of the cicadas are really making some noise, so we're going to go check it out. Sugar really likes it down here. She enjoys getting out and smelling the grass and looking for wild animals. But these trees are crazy loud this evening. It's usually not this loud, so kind of an interesting evening to go for a walk.